Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cloud and Data with Kaushik. So in the previous session, we already discussed that how we can configure Jenkins and the Windows 10, right? We just left few parts and that is very important, and that's why I kept this video separate. So we already installed Java JDK, right? One point that Java already installed that either Java 8 or Java 11 I told, right? So in my system, I already configured the Java and also the environment variables, right? I configure all the things, and that all the things is discussed in the previous video. Now we have just installed Jenkins right now. So you just go to that window in the downloads section, right? And click that Jenkins.msi. So you can see that dialog box appear, and here clearly written the setup wizard will install Jenkins. The version is 2.414, right? On your computer. And click next to continue. So we just go and click next. And by default, Jenkins will be installed in the C drive program files, right? Inside the C drive and the program files, right? You can change. If you want, you can change also. So here I'm just going to add C program file Jenkins. And it's by default selection, right? I'm not going to add anything. If you wish, you can change that folder, right? You can change any like E drive, C drive as per your choice. So you just cancel it and go to next. And these things is also be mentioned in that, you can see in that Windows of Jenkins Windows installation official page, that you can see that Jenkins fold how we can install all the things, right? So you just go and just click the first option, because I don't have any user currently, right? So run service as local system. It's not recommended, but first time you have to add. I'm trying to add these things. So click on next, and my port that is 8080. So you can also test the port. So port is okay. It's not reserved anywhere. So it's recommended that you accept the selected default port. So go to next, and the JDK also be there, right? So please select the path. Here already my JDK is there. I just go and confirm. See program files, Java, and this is the JDK, right? So I have two versions, JDK 11 or 1.8, right? 8, 8, 8 version, right? So we already have these things. Don't include GRE, only JDK is required, right? So I also have included these things, and click on next. So JDK, you please select only Java 11 supported. Okay. So we just go and just copy that path and add here. Click on next, and your just firewall exception is not adding, is not required currently, that because this mark is cross, right? And now we have to click install. So it will take some time for installing all the things. And you can see it will compute and collecting all the details. So please wait. That message is already been given from the Jenkins, and we have to wait some time. Don't make it cancel, because it will come, and it will start, right? Now you can see that the service is starting, right? So complete the Jenkins setup. So we add the setup is done, right? So click the finish button. So we the Jenkins is installed, and you can see the documentation, right? The Jenkins Windows official documentation. So in this step is written over there. So first we have to go and start the Jenkins, right? So if the Jenkins is installed properly, so how we can know that? First we have to write MSC services. We have to click the service, and service dialog will appear, or either you can do localhost 8080. They can also check the Jenkins, right? This running. So Jenkins service is running. You can also restart or stop, but if you open the service dialog, so you can see the Jenkins is running. And this page is very familiar with all of you, the Jenkins landing page, right? So starting Jenkins. So from the Windows, we have successfully launched the Jenkins. Now, this is the first page. We have to unlock Jenkins, right? How we can unlock the Jenkins? So here written, you have to go see program data Jenkins secret, right? So first you have to go see the program files and go to Jenkins. Jenkins, and the path is already given, that we have to go over there. Just see, and here we have to go and write Jenkins, and just open this file err.log, right? Here you can get the password. You can see Jenkins initial setup is required and admin user has been created and a password generated, right? So this is the password. This may also found see program data Jenkins. Just copy the password. This value is you can get from this jenkins.err.log. So this is the file locations where you can get jenkins.err.log. Okay, and you can go and paste the password. Click on continue, and you can see you can update or and install suggested plugins. We have to choose this one. So click, and your Jenkins is ready for your use for your project, right? So you can see that all the plugins, right, that has been installed in the Windows, right? So it takes some time. You have to wait 1 or 2 minutes, and within that everything will be installed. And one thing that Jenkins.xml, right? If you go and edit with Notepad, that details also be there, which service is running, that all the things, right? So you can see the executable that JDK 11, right? So JDK 11 means Java 11 is I have configured. So we can also check, sorry for my voice. So you can also check the Java version. So Java version that I already added. So you can see, or I can write Java version. So you can see that 11, right? So Jenkins.xml also be written. And this is the XML file where your Jenkins, all the configuration related things and the executable arguments that is added for the Java Jenkins.xml file. So this is the folder where everything is running. So it will take few minutes more because installation required because the plugins main Jenkins fund is the plugins. These plugins is going to install over there, and it takes some time. It's not by hand, so it's going to install it. You can see that and Gradle, pipelines, Git, LDAP, so everything. You have branch source. So these plugins are going to install over there, right? And also make sure you have to check right from the services. So your Jenkins is running or not. It's running, then it will come automatically. So you can stop, you can restart the service, no issue. So you can also stop, you can also restart as per your choice. So if I stop, then the entire process will be killed automatically, right? So I'm not going to stop. We have to wait for a few minutes, and I hope that Jenkins will be installed in your Windows server in the Windows 10, right? I have installed it. So uh, it takes, I think, or 1 or 2 minutes are required. And these few 5 or 6 plugins are left. And Jenkins, you can see that these are all the plugins, and we have to discuss each and every plugins that how we can configure, what is the use cases in the future session. And next video that I'm going to showcase you that how we can install Jenkins in the Ubuntu. That part also be there. So you can check. So multiple ways you can connect Jenkins, right? Either Linux, Ubuntu, or your Windows, basically. So I hope it's done. Only few seconds or few minutes are left. Now we have to create our first admin user, right? So the user name Kaushik Dev and password I have to as per my choice. This is your first time, you can put the admin user. and I'm adding all the things. So you can use the username, password, confirm password, full name on the website, and then we can save and continue. Either its first admin user will be created. To save and continue, and just click save and continue. And Jenkins URL is 8080. It has been provided, right? And save and finish. So now, congratulations, your Jenkins is ready in the Windows platform. Now start using Jenkins. You can go and your dashboard is ready. So your Jenkins is ready. You can create the new items. Just I'm going to add one new item. You can write demo the freestyle project, and you can see I will discuss all the things in the future session that I will discuss how is the new item, how to create the job, how to create multiple jobs over there. So everything will be discussed, not an issue. So just these videos agenda is that how we can install Jenkins in the Windows, right? It will take some time, and I hope it's done. The agenda is fulfilled that we have successfully installed Jenkins. Mm, so it's loading. First, your job, first job that you have created, right? That is loading. I hope services is running, right? Yeah. Okay, it's come, and it has already created. It takes some time in the Windows system. Yeah? You just configure, go and create configure, and description just a demo job. Nothing. I am not doing anything, right? Description, no source control, nothing. I have add the build step, just click, execute cell and write echo and write congratulations. We are in Jenkins. Apply, save, build now. You can click on the build now, and you can see the build is running, and it will be completing very soon. That is, you can see that in progress. What is the build information? Go over there and go to the demo, configure it, Windows system is very slow. I think that the reason. I just add the echo command and we stay run the build now. Very simple job. Okay, now we can see that our installation is done. And if we go and stop the service, you can go and stop the service. You can see that we stop the service. And now if we run, I think it will not work because we already stopped the service. We go and then you can start and you can see the Jenkins is starting. So running, you can go and click and Jenkins will be started. So I recommend that when you complete your job, right? When you complete your task, then please shut down. Otherwise, this code will be disaster that Jenkins will be running, right? So it will take some time for up and running. They are showing that Jenkins is running, right? So it will, yeah, it takes some time for provisioning the Jenkins server. Yes, so we can see the Jenkins is ready. Now, I hope we have covered all the things. So you can write config there that username I have created and this is my password. Keep me sign in, and it will redirect it to my dashboard, right? This is the first page that Jenkins has communicated, a first login page, right? You can sign in and you can see the dashboard is there. All the things are ready. I hope we have done. And the job is not running that I have to discuss all the things. The job, don't worry. I think some problems are there. So I don't want to keep the video very long, right? So we already discussed that agenda and the job, all the things that I will discuss in the next video, and all the things we will be completing, we'll understand step by step. First video, we have concentrated on the how we can install the Jenkins in the Windows server, right? So everyone is we have completed that session, right? So if you like, so please subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, please write in the comment box. If you like my video, please like it or comment so it can provide me some confidence, right? So please provide all the things so we can grow together, we can learn together. I hope I have covered the agenda of the session. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in the comment box so we can discuss. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining the sessions. Take care. Bye.